Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have this folio to share with you guys that I made using up my, I think I had 2 full-size sheets from this collection plus some scraps. I did end up having to pull from this collection. I think I used like 4 sheets from this collection, and then I also used like another sheet from random paper that I had in my stash. So I didn't get to use up just my scraps like I was hoping, but I knew that would be hard to do because I really only had 2 patterned papers left from this one and then like little scraps. So I knew that would have been hard to do. So I want to show you guys what I made. And before I do that, let's go over what kind of scraps I have left from this one that I was trying to use up. Okay, so you guys know I was trying to use up the Summer Farmhouse collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys knew I had a couple of sheets left. And this is such a beautiful collection. I love it. These are not from the collection. This is that other paper I pulled in, which is from, it's called Take Note by Amber or something. So it's from that collection. So those are the 2 scraps I had from that. I used a full-size sheet. These are all the little scraps I have left. This one was not even from this collection. I just threw it in here because I was using it for the other project I used with this collection. I tried to use up as much watermelon paper as I could. So this is all I have left, guys. Just like little scraps, and I used a bunch on my tags as well. This is also not from the collection, but I used a bunch of my tags, like the scrappies on tags. I used up a lot more stickers. This is all I have left. I'm going to hold on to this because I'm going to make myself a strawberry themed something because I can't wait to go strawberry picking. So I held on to like the little strawberries so I could decorate my strawberry picking kind of themed thing when I make that. So I'm still holding on to that. And then from this collection, it's called Good Day Sunshine by Echo Park. So this is by Simple Stories. This is by Echo Park. I used 1, 2, wait, hold on. These go together? No, these 2 go together. So I used 1, I used this one, just 2, I used this one, which was 3, and that was the back side, and then 4. So I used 4 sheets from this, plus that other random one that I used. So I used 5 extra sheets in addition to the 2 full-size sheets I had from this collection. So this folio did use quite a bit of paper. So let me show you guys what I created. Okay, so I made this folio right here. It's called Summer Lovin', or that's the cut apart I used on the front. Here's some of that paper from the Summer Farmhouse collection. And then this is also from the Summer Farmhouse collection. Then you open this up. It looks like this. I tried to use up the watermelon pages, this is pretty much like, I didn't have a lot of it, but it worked out right here. I really wanted to incorporate the watermelon. This all here is from the Good Day Sunshine by Echo Park. This is the Summer Farmhouse. This is a scrappy from the Summer Farmhouse. So I made it work. I think that like the pages kind of go together. But anyway, so you open this up and it looks like this. Here, I'll start with this side. I created an envelope with a Velcro closure, and inside that envelope I have a little journal that I made. So it says "Let the Good Times Roll," and this is what it looks like. You have a journal card. I decorated with some stickers, and this is a paper from the Good Day Sunshine collection, and this was that random other piece I pulled in. And then this was a journal card from Summer Farmhouse. So I got a doily, the journal card. I have some pink dyed paper I made. I have some more cut aparts in this top loading tuck spot. Decorated with a little sticker, more sticker. This is from the Good Day Sunshine scrap I had left. Then here I have another journal card with a paper clip. This is a little doily center. Here's some more stickers. Here I have that scrappy of that paper and some more journal cards. So it says Simply Summer Grillin' and Chillin', and you got like a journal card here. You could also journal on the back of that one. and it says backyard barbecue, and I thought that just went together because it says grillin' and chillin'. Here's that other piece of that paper, more pink dyed paper, some stickers. Here's that other journal card with the doily. I have another journal card here, and that just lives with that paper clip, little heart, and then you open this up, you got another pocket and another journal card that says yummy, and more stickers down here, and it turned out really cute. So that is the journal that you're also getting with this folio. I've been really enjoying including like journaling things with my folios and my albums, so that has been a lot of fun. And that just lives inside this pocket right there with that Velcro closure. Then this opens up, and then this opens up, and here I have a tuck spot with this little pocket that you could add a tag into or some memorabilia, and that is just like a little tuck spot right there with the lemonade sticker. Then here, this is like a diagonal pocket, a double diagonal pocket. So in that first one, I have this journal card. I have this one that says Sunshine Kisses and Summer Wishes, and that one opens up. And then I have this tag that you could write on or add photos. So I have those three. And then I also have another journal card that says just hanging out is one of the best things about summer. And then you could journal on the back. And then I got two larger tags, and here you can see I did a lot of paper piecing, but I think it adds to like the interest of the tag, and it looks really super cute. So those are the two tags in here, and this was the pockets I made. So it just looks like that. I added a sticker border strip down here that I also added on the journal that I made, but that's what that looks like. And this holds so much, guys. You could fit even more in here. This is my first time making like these kind of like angled pockets, and I'm going to be making them a lot more often because I just love how this turned out. Okay, so then this goes back in there, and then these live behind that. And then I had this one, so that was in the second pocket, and then this one, I have this in the first pocket. Actually, let me lift up that other one a little bit, like that. Then this one goes in here, and then this tag. And there's still so much more space in here. Look at this, I could still put all my fingers in there. So there's tons and tons of space in there. You could definitely add more, you could add photos. So then that closes and is magnetized. And then you have this piece right here. So it says every summer has a story. This flips down, you just got patterned paper. And then these all flip up, and there's nothing on the back side, so you could do journaling, you could add photos. And then that last one opens up with a pop-up. So this pop-up is just decorated. I did some paper piecing, and it says, I love summer. It's always summer somewhere. And then you could do journaling on there, and then that closes just back up. And then these close, and they are held together with a magnet. So that is everything of this folio album. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and I did follow, I forgot to mention, I did follow a tutorial by Rosa Kelly. Now, the base of it was part of the tutorial. This was part of the tutorial. And like this flip out page and this flip out page is part of the tutorial. She didn't have any pockets. I made those on my own. And then she did not have this envelope. I also made that on my own. But the base of it, you could make following Rosa Kelly's tutorial, which I will have linked down below. And that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.